Welcome to Naipunya Vikasam, APSSDC. My name is Krishnamurthy, working as a functional English and life skills trainer in Andhra Pradesh Social Welfare Residential School, Pedavegi in West Godavari district, under the project of Naipunya Vikasam, APSSDC. Today we are going to discuss about functional English, module number 26, Introduction to Notice Writing from 10th class syllabus. What is notice? A notice is a formal means of communication. The purpose of notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. Notices are generally means to be pinned up on a specific display boards, whether in schools or in a public places. Notices issued by the government appear in newspapers. A notice must include these following points. Point number 1. What is going to happen? Point number 2. Where it will take place. Point number 3. When it will take place. Point number 4. Who can apply or is eligible for it? Point number 5. Who to contact? Some of the more points remember in our mind while preparing notice. Point number 1. Only include the most important points. Point number 2. The sentences must be short and grammatically correct. Point number 3. They should be in the passive voice as far as possible. Point number 4. Present the notice in a box. Point number 5. The word limit for the body of the notice is 40 to 50 words. Point number 6. The information must be clear. It should not cause any confusion. Point number 7. A notice must attract the reader's attention immediately. Point number 8. Increase its visual appeal by using bold letters and catchy slogans. Point number 9. You can use standard abbreviations. The format of the notice. While preparing the notice, we must follow the following steps to prepare the notice. Here I mentioned 6 following steps. Step 1. The name of the organization. Which organization issuing the notice? That organization name must mention in the notice. Step 2. The title notice. When we prepare the notice, we must keep title notice. Step 3. A heading to introduce the subject of the notice. What is the notice? That subject must clearly mention as a heading. Step 4. The date of the notice. Which date we mention the notice, that date we should mention the notice. Step 5. The body of the notice. While preparing the notice, we must follow the body of the notice must clear and without any grammatical mistakes. Step 6. The writer's signature, name in block letters and designation of the writers. These are the following steps of preparing the notice. Review of the topic. What is a notice? A notice is a formal means of communication. What is the format of notice? Here 6 steps are there. Step 1. Name of the organization which is issuing the notice. Step 2. Title notice. Step 3. Heading of the subject of the notice. Step 4. Date of the notice. Step 5. The body of the notice. Step 6. Signature of the writer, name and his designation. These are the format of the notice. Conclusion of the topic. What I suggest here, while preparing notice, we must careful about the format of the steps. When the steps are clear, we can easily understand the notice. Assessment of the topic. Here 3 questions I gave. Question number 1. What is a notice? Question number 2. Where are notices displayed? Question number 3. What is the format of the notice? These are the assessment of the topic. Thank you for watching this video.